Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights, and for today's recipe I'm going to share with you how I make my chicken avocado salad. This is such a light and healthy recipe, and the pan-seared chicken and the avocados takes the salad to the next level. Let's get started. Start off by tenderizing the chicken. Place 2 chicken breasts over a cutting board with a plastic wrap and place another plastic wrap over the chicken. Use a meat tenderizer to tenderize the chicken. This will make the chicken to be more tender and help it to cook evenly. Once that is done, remove the plastic wrap and place the chicken back on the cutting board. To season the chicken, add in ½ teaspoon of salt to both sides of the chicken. And the same way, add in ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 3/4 teaspoon of cumin. Coat the chicken really well with the seasonings. Place a pan on medium heat and add in olive oil and butter to the pan. Add in the chicken and sear the chicken on this side for about 8 minutes without moving it. After 8 minutes, you will notice the bottom sides of the chicken to be a pale golden color. Turn the chicken over to the other side and cook another 8 minutes. The chicken is now well done. Transfer the cooked chicken into a plate and let it rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the salad. Chop 1 large lettuce and discard the core. I got here 2 avocados that I cut in half and pitted. Cut each into half again and peel the skin off. Slice the avocados into bite-sized pieces. Then slice 4 mini cucumbers into bite-sized pieces as well. You can also use regular cucumbers instead. Take 3/4 cup of cherry tomatoes and slice it in half. Now I like to add an easy dressing to this salad. I got 1/4 cup of olive oil. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon into the olive oil. Make sure to catch the seeds. Add in ½ teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix this really well. This dressing is completely optional. You can also use your favorite dressing instead. Gently mix the salad. Add in a couple spoons of the dressing and gently mix again. Now set this aside. Take the chicken that was resting and slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add the sliced chicken over the salad. And this chicken avocado salad is ready to enjoy. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to see my other recipes, make sure to click one of these, and to subscribe, click right there. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!